Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to complete the animal kingdom using the super tricks, and in this video only full NCERT examples will be covered. So be with me till end. So let's start. First of all, the thing is given, that is all the file name I have written here. First of all, let's recall all of these: Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminth, Aschelhelminth, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata. Chordata is classified into three parts: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. Vertebrata is having the classes like Cyclostomata, Chondrichthyes, Osteichthyes, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammals. So in this video only, we will complete these all the phylums I have written on the board, which is present in our NCERT book, and we will complete each and every example using the super easy trick. So let's start with the Porifera. First one, and that is our Porifera. For the Porifera, as we all are familiar with, Porifera is also known as spawns. Porifera is also known as spawns. So this is our trick. So here spawns. Spawns start from the word S. So S we have used cycone. And the next word is very simple, that spawns, the word is coming spawns, and in this also, as we can say it, here is also sponge and here is also sponge. So this is our super simple trick. Let's move toward the Coelenterata. Move toward the Coelenterata and Ctenophora. So now let's see. In the Coelenterata, we will use the trick O Adam or Adantia. गोर्गोनिया में पेन से फिजिक्स पढ़ते हैं. O Adam और Meandrina गोर्गोनिया में पेन से फिजिक्स पढ़ते हैं. O means Obelia, Adam means Adamsia, Or means Aurelia, Meandrina, Meandrina, Gorgonia, Gorgonia. Pen means Pennatula, physics means Physalia. So it is very easy for us to remember by using this trick. Now let's move to other Ctenophora. Ctenophora is very simple. Let's see. The word is Ctenophora. We write it in the trick. We use the Cteno and Phora. We have separated them. Now let's see. In the first thing we are using the Cteno. So here also we can see the word Cteno is coming. So the example will be Ctenophora. Next one, here is the Phora. Phora is starting with the word P. Means the example of the Ctenophora will also start with the P, and that is Pleurobrachia. So that's our trick. Now let's move toward the Platyhelminth, Aschelminth, and other phylums as well. Let's move toward the next one, and that is our Platyhelminth. So for the Platyhelminth, you have to use this trick. That is the Taenia plane में फंस गया. Taenia plane में फंस गया. Taenia, then Taenia. Plane में means planaria. फंस गया, starting फंस गया means fasciola. Okay, so Taenia plane में फंस गया. Here Taenia, that is also known as tapeworm. Then plane means planaria. फंस गया means fasciola. The next moving toward the Aschelhelminth. For the Aschelhelminth, in the NCERT there is a diagram given of a round worm, and it look like this. Okay, so here you can see this round shaped hook you can see here, and if we will fill it, then this is our trick. Okay, so here the round worm is seen, and that is having a hook that is in the shape round, and if we fill it, then this is our trick. Okay, so let's fill it up. We have completely filled this hook that is of round worm. So hook of round worm is filled. So hook for hookworm, round for roundworm, fill for filiera worm. Now let's move toward the Annelida. Annelida is a term in which the trick is just hidden up, and you hadn't seen this. So here Annelida. For the term Annelida, here we return the Annelida. Then this N-E-L is our trick. So here the first letter N means Nereis, second letter E means earthworm, and third L means leech. This is super easy. Now let's move to the Arthropoda. For the Arthropoda, there are different type of the classification is being seen there, and the examples are also looks different. Okay, but Arthropoda is quite similar for us to understand. Now let's first is given the economically important insects. So here we can use the trick lab. L for leg insect, A for apis. Apis is also known as honeybee. B for bombyx is also known as silkworm. Next, moving to the vectors. For the vectors, the term is AC, or you can use 2AC, whatever you want. A for Anopheles, C for Culex, A for AIDS, and C for cockroach. Very easy for us. Next, move toward the living fossil. Living fossil of the Arthropoda is Limulus. How will you remember this? By the letter L. Living fossils start with the letter L, so Limulus is also starting with the letter L. This is very easy. Now let's move toward the other phylums. Move toward the next one, and that is our Mollusca. For the Mollusca, we will use the trick SPAC में दाल पियो. You can imagine any SP in the surrounding of you, then you can imagine with this SPAC में दाल पियो. SP means sepia, then pinctada. A for Aplysia, chiton. DL means Dentalium, Loligo. The next one P means Pila, that is also known as apple snail. Then O for octopus. Next move toward the next, that is Echinodermata. Echinodermata, here the word is Echinus. For the Echinodermata, for the Echinus, as we easily familiar with this also, but our trick is super simple. Echinus bola ABAC. Echinus bola ABAC. Echinus bola ABAC. Echinus for the Echinus. Then A for Astragalus, also known as starfish. Then B for brittle star. Then next A for Antinon, and C for Cucumeria. So now let's move toward the Hemichordata. Hemichordata, the trick is SB means sub non-coded पूरे, because Coated will start, then all the non-coateds are completed till the heavy coated. So trick is very easy. Sub non-coated today. So here the word is SB, sub. S for sacoglossus, B for balanoglossus. Now let's move toward the chordata. Move toward the chordata. In the chordata, the first one is coming the urochordata. Urochordata, as you all are knowing, it is a primitive type of chordates. So we can say they are set. Oh, urochordates are SN, SAD. S means sulfa, A for Askidia, D for Dodiola. Next one is the cephalochordata. In the cephalochordata, the first word is coming cephalo. So cephalo, as we all are familiar with, cephalo is related to our brain part. Cephalo is related to our brain part. So we can say for the brain, we can use the word brachiostoma. This is our trick. Next one is the cyclostomata. In the cyclostomata, you have to remember Kamal. Cyclostomata, you have to remember the Kamal. Kamal. You can use this. You can use your mind as well. Here the word is coming stomata. Stomata is present in the which part? In the plant. Stomata is present in the plant, and this Kamal, this lotus is also a plant. So you can use this also. This is Kamal. CML. C for cyclostomata, M for myxin, L for lamprey. Next, moving toward the chondrichthyes. In the chondrichthyes, the trick is criminal torpedo in prison. The criminal name torpedo in the prison. C for carcharodon. Torpedo means torpedo. Pre means priestess. Then the word that is coming on in the last word of the prison. So here also this trigon and scoliodon, the last word is coming on here. So you can use your this trick as well. Now let's move toward the Osteichthyes. In the Osteichthyes there are three parts in the NCERT. First one is the marine, then second one is the freshwater, and third one is the aquarium. So for the marine part, you have to use he is in marine. He is in marine. H for hippocampus. Then second one E for exocetus. Then next one there is the freshwater. For the freshwater you have to use column. For the freshwater you have to use column. CLM. Here also you can use this C for Katla, L for Labio, M for Magu. Also you can use the Kamal as well in this trick. That is your wish. The next one toward the aquarium. In the aquarium there is BP. In the aquarium there is BP, B for beta, P for pterophyllum, D for beta, T for pterophyllum. Now let's move toward the amphibia, reptilia, and aves. Next one, and that is the amphibia. In the amphibia we will use the trick Bafforana. A person names Bafforana from Haryana. समंदर देखने की इच्छा. Bafforana जो कि हरियाणा का है और उसे समंदर देखने की क्या है? इच्छा है. Bafforana. Buffo means buffo, Rana means Rana, Haryana means Haila, Samandar means salamander, Ichha means ichthyophis. Now let's move to the next one, reptilia, apes and mammals. As you already are familiar with them, like in the reptilia part, the crocodiles, snakes, lizards are coming. The next one, apes means parrot. Then you can use peacock as well. All the birds are coming in the next one is the mammals. For the mammals, you can use like we are also in the part of the mammals. So this part is not going through the tricks. I will recommend you not from the tricks. You have to remember them as you already are familiar with these. As we are living and our surrounding also, we see these things. So at last, I think these tricks are helpful for you. And if you like these tricks, then just like the video and subscribe this channel for more interesting tricks like this. Thanks for watching.